Have you ever wondered how your favorite snack is judged? It's fascinating. Today, we will dive deep into how scientists measure what we taste, smell, and experience in food. The method used is called sensory evaluation of food. This scientific approach evaluates how humans perceive different food products. We will cover the principles and importance of sensory evaluation, key sensory attributes, and simple tests used in the industry. Let's explore. Sensory evaluation means scientifically measuring our reactions to food using our senses. The senses involved are sight, smell, taste, touch, and even hearing. Food science and human psychology connect here. The consumer ultimately judges the product. To ensure sensory evaluation is reliable, we must follow specific principles. First, objectivity is key. Panelists should evaluate food without bias. Next, we need a controlled environment. Proper lighting and neutral odors are essential. Standardized samples follow. All samples must be equal in quantity and temperature. Panelists should be trained or selected to assess food accurately. Lastly, avoid sensory fatigue. Too many samples can tire senses. Water or plain crackers help refresh the palate. Why is sensory evaluation crucial? Firstly, it aids in product development. Companies test new foods prior to launch. Secondly, quality control ensures consistency between batches. Thirdly, it helps with shelf life studies to understand flavor changes. Fourthly, it reveals consumer acceptance, indicating preferences or aversions. Lastly, it drives process improvement by comparing methods like cooking and packaging. For instance, a biscuit company may test whether consumers enjoy softer or crispier textures. Food is evaluated through specific sensory attributes that define our perceptions. First, let's discuss appearance. Appearance includes color, shape, size, and clarity. Bright strawberries often appear fresher than dull ones. This visual aspect can influence taste expectations. Now, onto taste. Taste is detected by our taste buds. There are 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. For instance, sugar is sweet, and salt brings saltiness. Concentration matters greatly. Aroma plays a significant role in flavor too. It refers to the volatile compounds we smell while eating. Delicious examples include fresh bread or brewed coffee. Without aroma, food may lose its appeal. Finally, texture is crucial too. Texture describes the sensations we feel while chewing. This includes hardness, crispness, smoothness, and more. Think about crispy chips and creamy ice cream. Texture adds depth to our food experience. Now, let's explore 2 simple sensory tests in food evaluation. The triangle test checks for differences. Panelists receive 3 coded samples, 2 identical and 1 different. They must identify the odd sample. Imagine regular juice alongside reformulated juice. This test shows if a detectable difference exists. Next, we have the ranking test. This evaluates preference or order of intensity. Multiple samples are tested, and panelists rank them based on a specific trait. For example, ranking biscuits from most crispy to least crispy is a common scenario. To achieve accurate results in sensory testing, follow good sensory practices. Avoid strong perfumes, and don't eat spicy food prior. Testing should occur before heavy meals, ensuring silence during evaluations. Finally, record responses immediately for accuracy. To recap our session, sensory evaluation is the scientific study of food through senses. Key principles include objectivity, controlled conditions, and standardized samples. We explored major attributes: appearance, taste, aroma, and texture. Triangle tests reveal differences, while ranking tests determine preferences. Sensory evaluation helps create enjoyable products for consumers. Join us next time as we discuss food spoilage and its types. Thank you for being here today.